So good morning to all. So already five chapters completed, and sixth chapter is banking. So already you know that the commercial bank and then the functions of commercial bank, everything is over. The next topic is role of commercial banks in economic development of a country. A bank in developing country play an effective role in their economic development. The majority of the people in such countries are poor, unemployed, and engaged in traditional agriculture. There is a shortage of capital. The people lack initiative and enterprise. The means of transport are underdeveloped. The industries is depressed. The commercial bank help in overcoming the obstacles and promoting economic development. So the role of a commercial bank in developing country. Let us see one by one. So first one is a capital formation, and second one is a creation of credit, third one is a channelizing the fund, and the fourth one is a encouraging right type of industry, and fifth one bank monetized debit, and the sixth one is a finance to the government, and seventh one employment generation, and eighth one bank promote enterprises. Let us see one by one. So first one is a capital formation. The mobilize the small savings of the people scattered over a wide area through their network of branches all over the country and make it available for productive purpose. The commercial bank help in mobilizing savings through a network of branch banking. Say people in developing country have a low income, but the bank induced them to save by introducing the variety of deposit schemes to suit the need of individual depositors. So the people are low income groups are there in developed country, so they select the variety of deposit schemes, how to deposit, how much level income enough to deposit these schemes. So the banks introducing the variety of deposit schemes, the people choose to use and saving purpose only used. They also mobilize ideal savings of the few rich. They mobilizing savings, the bank channelize them into the productive investment. They help in this capital formations of a developing country. So bank play an important role in capital formation, which is essential for the economic development of a country. They mobilize the small savings of the people scattered over a wide area through their network of branches all over the country and make it available for productive purpose. So nowadays the bank offer variety of attractive schemes to induce the people to save the money. The example for the government introducing the many schemes for the purpose of the people, to give the loan, gold, and then other uh, other bonds, and then many schemes are government introduced. The people invested our savings for gold or investment, interest rate of interest based investment. So everything is introduced to the government. So the various attractive schemes to introduce the people to save the money with them and bring the savings and mobilized to the recognized money market. If the banks do not perform these functions, savings either remain the ideal or used in creating the other assets. So the low in scale of plan priority. Example for Prime Minister Modi introduced the many schemes in post office and banks. So women's the child woman to give the uh, many more opportunities to so every month you pay for 1,000 rupees in our bank for woman or child names, so deposited. So after 18 years or 20 years you get the double amount. So that is a new schemes. So government introducing the many schemes. And second one is a creation of credit. The bank create credit for the purpose of providing more funds for development project. The credit creation leads to increased production, employment, sales, and price, and thereby they bring about the faster economic development. So the credit creation means the bank providing a loan. So the entrepreneur to get the loan to start the business, to give the employment opportunity for labors, and then production more labor used to produce the product. So the production level increased and sales also increased. So the economic development is growing up level. So third one is a channelized the fund, the channelizing the fund towards the productive investment. The bank invests the savings mobilized by them for the productive purpose. The capital formation is not only the functions of commercial bank. Pooled savings should be allotted to the various sectors of the economy with a view to increase the productivity. The only it can be said to have performed an important role in the economic development. The productive investment means the government, the bank providing them many variety schemes of loans given to the entrepreneur. So channelizing means is a variety of schemes introduced by the government and through the bank. So the entrepreneur select the channels and to use capital uh, to develop the business. So the economic development is a very very important. So the productive investment is a very important to increase the production level and economic growth, and everything is depend on the bank investment base. So fourth one is encouraging right type of industry. And then the grant loan and advance to manufacture, thus the product are in a great demand. So the commercial bank, the business to industrial sector in the number of way. They provide the short term, medium term, and long term loans to the industry. So India they provide the short term loan. In some of the Latin America countries to give the medium term loan for 1 to 3 years. But in the Korea, the commercial bank also advances a long term loan to the industry. In India, commercial bank undertake the short term and medium term financing of the small scale industries and also provide their higher purchase finance. They do not provide the finance for industry but also help in developing the capital market which in underdeveloped in such countries. So many bank help in this development of the right type of industry by extending loan to right type of a person. So right type of a person means the good entrepreneur. So that so good person means is a right person means first one is our choosing a business, and second one is the business transaction. So business transaction how to deal. So these are choose the right person, this qualities choosing the right person. In this way they help not only for industrialization of the country but also for the economic development of a country. For example, uh, so Coimbatore, some Mahalingam groups, example for Mahalingam groups. So Banariaman Industries, and then example for Erode Sakti Masala. So these are the good example for industries to get the banking loan used to develop our business. So the loan to right type of a person, the bank given to the loan to develop to our business. They grant loan and advances to manufacture those product are in a great demand. The manufacturers in turn increases their product by introducing a new methods of production and assist in raising the national income of a country. Sometimes subprime lending is also learned. That is how there was a economic crisis in the year of 2007 to 8 in the US. And next one is a banks monetize debit. So commercial bank transform the loan to the repaid after a certain period into cash, which can be immediately used for the business activity. So manufacturers and wholesale traders cannot increase their sales without selling the goods on the credit basis. So example for so some industries, the product are produced and sales sold in the market, but only for credit basis. So some advertisement and other to getting the loan from the banks and using to start the business and sell the product. As a result, the production may also be reduced. As a bank are lending money by discounting bill of exchange, business concerns are able to carry out the economic activity without any interruptions. So the government do not interfere the bank transaction activity. So you get the loan from bank, so that entrepreneur or organization to get the loan from the bank to use to produce the product and to develop the economy. And next one is a finance to the government. Bank providing a long term credit to the government, but investing their fund government security and short term finance by purchasing treasury bill. The government is an acting as the promoter of industries in underdeveloped country for which finance is needed for it. Bank providing a long term, short term, medium term credit to the government by investing their fund in the government security and short-term finance by purchasing treasury bill. RBI has given 68,000 crores to the government of India in the year of 2018 to 90. This is the 99% the RBI surplus. And seventh one is employment generation. The bank branches are open frequently, which leads to the creation of new employment opportunity. So after the nationalization of big banks, banking industries has grown to the great extent. Example for ICICI Bank. So 10 or 15 years back, the bank was very dull. At the same time, that bank closed. So next again to start our work to giving the loan for so woman entrepreneur development schemes. So self-help groups to giving the loan, to give the loan to the people. So the group of people to get the loan and then improve the business. So the ICICI bank branches were extended frequently, which will lead to the creation of new employment opportunity. So the bank branches extend, so many of the people to get the employment opportunities. And eighth one is a bank promote the entrepreneurship. So in recent days, bank have assumed the role of developing entrepreneur, particularly in developing countries like India, by inducing a new entrepreneurs to take the well formulated project and provisions of counseling services like as a technical and managerial guidance. So bank provide the 100% credit for the worthwhile project, which is also technically feasible and economically viable. So commercial banks help for the development of entrepreneurship in a country. So the banking trade, the financing providing to the trade transactions. So commercial bank help in the financing both the internal and external trade. So bank provide the loan to retailer and a wholesaler to stock goods within the deal. They also help in the movement of goods from one place to another by providing all types of facilities such as discounting and accepting bill of exchange and providing the overdraft facilities, issue of draft, etc. So, moreover, the finance of both export and imports of a developing country by providing the foreign exchange facilities to importers and exporters of the goods. And then employment generation, already I told the employment generation. So the most importance to financing for agriculture purpose, the commercial bank help in this large agriculture sectors in developing countries in the number of way. They provide a loan to trader in agriculture commodity. They open the network branches in this rural area to provide the agriculture credit. They provide the finance directly to the agriculture raised for the marketing of the product. And then they modernization and mechanism of their firm for providing irrigation facilities for the developing land, etc. They also provide the financial assistance for the commercial bank, giving the financial assistance for animal husbandry, so dairy farming, sheep breeding, poultry, f- poultry farming, and horticulture. So these sectors, the financial facilities are given to the bank, so that agriculture person also get the loan to develop our business. Small and marginal farmers and landless agriculture workers and artisans and petty shopkeeper in rural area, they provide the financial assistance through the regional rural bank in India. The rural bank operate under a commercial bank. So commercial bank meet the credit requirement of all the types of the rural people. And then industries. So commercial bank giving the financing to the industry. Commercial bank finance to the industry sectors a number of way. They provide the short term, medium term, and long term loan also provided. And then employment generating activity. Next one is a employment generating activity. The commercial bank employ finance employment generating activity in developing country. They provide the loan for the education of a young person studying in engineering, medicinal, and then vocational institutions for the higher learning. They advance loan to young entrepreneur, young person in establishing their own business and to develop our educational career. These opportunities are given by the banks. So the functioning employment generating activity such as loan facilities are being provided by the number of commercial banks in India. The bank not only the help in human capital formation but also in increasing the entrepreneurial activity in developing countries. So next one is a monetary policy. The commercial banks help in this economic development of a country by faithfully following the monetary policy of the central bank. The central bank depends upon the commercial bank for the success of the policy of monetary management in keeping with the requirements of developing economy. So these topics also these topic are included for this role of commercial bank. So once again, I repeated these main points. First one is the capital formation. You know that the commercial bank providing the capital. So mobilizing the small savings of the people scattered wide over a area network of branches all over the country. Second one is a creation of credit. So creation of credit means the credit facilities are given to the entrepreneur, so that entrepreneur get the loan from the bank to start the business. Example for poultry, seed, so fertilizer, seed, uh, and then honeybee and mushrooms. So kaya industry in Trichy, and then Tirupur, uh, innerwears companies is more to get the employment, to get the loan and employment opportunity are there. So the creations of credit means that amount I get by bank to start to business, and then create a employment opportunity to get the loan from the bank, and then to giving the interest. So the creation of another one, credit. To get the loan from the bank, you pay the interest. So the creation of credit. And then channelizing the fund towards the productive investment. Channelizing means you choose the variety of business sectors. So lot of business transaction is there. So how to choose the which type of business you start, and how to get the uh, loan from the bank. So which type of long term loan, short term loan, and then medium term loan, these are related to rate of interest. So that entrepreneur choosing the channelizing fund, and then used to productive investment, and then right type of industry. So which type of industries start to um, business, and how to give the employment opportunity for the people. So the how to get the loan, and then new methods of production. So these are the people calculated and encouraging the business. So bank debit. Next one is a bank debit, to get the loan from the bank and then start to business. The bank also lending money by discounting bill of exchange. Business concern are able to carry out the economic activity without any interruptions. So finance to the government. So government is acting as the promoter of industries in underdeveloped country, for which finance is needed for it. Bank providing a long-term credit to the government by investing their fund in the government securities, and the short-term finance by purchasing treasury bill and everything included. And then RBI also providing the loan to the commercial bank. These are also included for this topic. Thank you, students.